The 2023 F-Type offers everything you'd expect from a Jaguar sports car. Beautiful design, a sonorous engine, and lots of driving character. It now comes only with a supercharged V8 producing 444 or 575 horsepower. The 2023 F-Type cockpit has a driver-centric design and features an attractive mix of materials including stitching, faux suede accents, center console trim and various high-gloss black pieces. The standard 6-way power sport seats can be upgraded to 12-way power performance seats with various combinations of leather or suede upholstery. Every F-Type is equipped with a 10.0-inch touchscreen running the company's InControl Touch Pro infotainment software. The system includes Apple CarPlay and Android Auto capabilities as standard. A premium surround sound audio system, Wi-Fi hotspot and wireless phone charging are all optional. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe, like and share to the Classy Auto News channel.